Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Power BI Desktop. Open Query Editor and pick the table you will clean. First, inspect the column profile to see which special characters appear and how often. Once done, choose a strategy. Strip all non-alphanumerics, replace with a space, or restrict to a whitelist. Now create a reference step by duplicating the column so you can compare before and after. Make sure to save the query step name for traceability and to avoid breaking subsequent transformations. Next, apply the actual transformations. For isolated characters, use transform replace values, quick and visual. For broader removal, open Advanced Editor and use M functions like text. Remove column @$% or text. Select column list of allowed chars. Use regular expressions via text. Rejects replace if you need patterns. Once applied, preview the sample rows to confirm behavior. If results look good, fold the step into the query. Remember, keep transformations as individuals. Finish by applying the query and loading the clean data into the model. Then verify that visuals, filters, and measures work as expected. If something breaks, first check data types. Text versus numeric can change behavior, and confirm the order of query steps, since earlier changes affect later ones. If you still see unexpected characters, enable step-by-step previews in Query Editor to isolate when they reappear. Finally, document the final step and rationale so others understand the transformation chain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.